Hello amazing people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Blick, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to achieve a flawed full bold makeup look stroke glam for women of color. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So let's get right into our video. I finished doing my eyebrows. This is the second makeup look I'm doing today. I first did the review video for my Instagram. This concealer, it's in the shade number 9, still from the MB Cosmetics Amsterdam, and I'm using it as my eyeshadow base. So we are going to start off with it. So if you're wondering where I'm looking, there I have a mirror placed there, but I'll use this. I'm going to place some of the concealer onto my eyelids before actually I blend that to buff out that concealer. And I'm going to tap that into a circular motion going upwards towards the side where I put my concealer while doing my eyebrows. And I'm using the same concealer actually I used for my eyebrows. I'm going to first use this color. I'm going to tap the first shade at the outer part of my eyes, going into the inner part of my crease. Second shade we are going to use, I'm going to pat that into the first shade. I'm going to use Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Yellow Correct. The MB Cosmetic eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this shade, this nude shade. I'm going to pat the eyeshadow onto the place where I put my concealer. At the ends I'm going to go back and just tap that into going into the inner section. I used it before, so I'm going to put it in the inner corner of my eyes. Kiss Beauty eyeliner. I start from the beginning part of my eyes, I draw a line, then I fill that in. Like that. After I just fill that in, I'm going to be using the scent Yves moisturizer. This is how it looks like. Using black opal primer for my face, and I'm going to spread it out through my face before I go in with the foundation. Swap the two lashes together. To use this foundation, I'm going to apply a bit the back of my hand. That is the first foundation, and I'm going to mix it with the dark one, and I'm just going to press like once. If you're applying the foundation and you make dots like this, they will leave patches. So what I do, I just swipe, then after that I blend in with my Glam Beauty blend. I don't know if you guys have noticed, my light changed, switched up a little bit. I was using a ring light, but electricity jumped, so I'm using the natural light on. Check, it's a full coverage foundation, so I used to place my foundation here, but one thing I realized, if you place it here, it's hard for you to spread it out since it looks like it's a lot. With this concealer, it's a bit thick, and this one is not thick, so that is one thing I didn't like about it. It's like thick. So I'm going to blend in my concealer. Lighter concealer to light up just this part. So I just want to blend in this concealer so quick. Liquid lipstick, and I'm just going to put some at the back of my hand. So when you're doing this, you want to be quick. A little bit of the foundation as my contouring cream, and I'm going to be using very little. I'm going to be using this powder, it's called Eda powder. I'm using this dark shade, as my blush. This shade and this shade. I'm using a black liner for my low waterline. I'm going to use this Kiss Beauties fixing spray. I'm using this black line. I don't always do this. So I'm going to go in with this second one. I'm going to use this Huda liquid matte lipstick. This is how it's used. That's it for the lip combo. That's it for our video today, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments about this look. See you in our next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.